Welcome to our guide on optimizing your real estate investments using ElevenLabs 2025. In today's market, technology is essential for making smart investment decisions. With advancements in artificial intelligence, we can now analyze real estate analytics at an unprecedented level. Let's explore how AI is reshaping the industry. Predictive analytics can enhance your investment strategies by offering insights on property valuation. This allows for smarter decisions based on concrete data. AI allows for automating market research and data collection. This means you can now focus on insights rather than spending hours sifting through information. With AI-powered insights, identifying emerging trends in real estate becomes more efficient, helping you stay ahead of the curve. AI solutions can significantly enhance tenant management, improving interaction and satisfaction. This fosters a positive tenant-landlord relationship. Automation tools can streamline property management processes, saving you time and resources while maximizing efficiency. AI enables sophisticated risk assessment models that can minimize uncertainties in your investment portfolio, ensuring informed decisions. Integrating ElevenLabs technology into your existing processes will not only enhance your current operations but also future-proof your investments.